Dr. Paul Corner talks about what is green hydrogen and how is it made.
Green hydrogen is made from electrolysis using CO2 emission-free electricity, so renewable electricity. And so it's the lowest CO2 producing hydrogen that can be formed. How we convert hydrogen into electricity is typically by using a fuel cell, which is a simple device which, like a petrol generator, converts the chemical energy in the fuel to electricity. Fuel cells convert the hydrogen directly to electricity. They take the hydrogen and the oxygen and recombine it to make water.
The gas is passed through the gas control devices. They come along the bottom and one stream comes up here and bubbles through the water, which then goes into the cell, and the other stream is just a stream of gas to clear out the other side of the fuel cell.
What the project with ScotRail was the hydrogen-powered train, and the train has they have an electrolyzer that sits beside the track that runs, and it produces hydrogen in some big tanks beside the tracks. They then park the train beside it. They connect it up with a very small hose, and they fill the tanks on the train with hydrogen, and then that hydrogen is just used to produce electricity, which then runs the motor. So it's an electric train.
So for green hydrogen, it's expected that we're going to have as much as 25 gigawatts of green hydrogen by 2045. And for offshore wind, we expect it to have a capacity of around 40 gigabytes. So that's a combined of 65 gigawatts, which is more than enough to, if combined with a few other resources, more than enough to power the UK population at 2045, and that would help us greatly reach our net zero targets and commit to our net zero targets in Scotland. Thank you very much.